everyone, it's Ashley and I'm back with a video today to talk to you guys about the new December mystery box from Cricut. This one is called the Sweetie Pie Honey Bunch Mystery Box. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content, as well as special sales and mystery boxes and items like these. I have a ton of tutorials coming up on my channel as well. I'm doing 25 days of crafting for the month of December, so you guys may have noticed video after video after video, and I have a bunch more coming up and I don't want you to miss out on that. So let's talk about the Sweetie Pie Honey Bunch Mystery Box. It's a really cute name, and the reason for this is because this is all themed around kind of a really cute idea here. So everything in this mystery box is $39.99. It is over $133 of value, so it's a really great deal. If you are a Cricut Access member, you will get 10% off of this mystery box. If you're a premium Cricut Access member, you'll also get 20% off on the box. So it's a really great reason to sign up for a Cricut Access membership, because you get a great value anyway, and then you get special discounts on top of the sale price on these. So let's get into talking about what specifically is in this mystery box, and this is a great way to try out a bunch of new things. As always, because I am a Cricut product expert, I have links in the description box, and it'll tell you everything that's inside the box, as well as all the coupon information, links for becoming a Cricut Access member. Let's talk about what's in the box, because I know you're just as excited as I am about that. That's my favorite thing about the mystery boxes, is finding out what's in it. So this will go live on Tuesday sometime. Today is Monday that I'm filming this, so it'll go live sometime Tuesday, anytime from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Cricut doesn't let us know what time it goes live, just that it will go live some point. So click the link in the description box so you know exactly when it goes live. And we'll talk about what's in it. First thing are these cute, brand new to the website baby bodysuits. These are the Raglan style bodysuits, and they come in two different colors here for this mystery box that you can see. There is a gray pink one. This is in the size 3 to 6 months. In this mystery box, you'll get 4 different baby bodysuits in this color, and they will be a range of different sizes. So you get 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, I believe it's 6 to 9 months, and then also 9 to 12 months. So you get a full year span on that. So you get baby bodysuits in a bunch of different sizes in the pink and gray. And they're really nice quality. These are developed especially to use for Infusible Ink, so you get a nice soft product, and you'll get really nice vibrant results with it. So you get that, and then Cricut wanted to make sure that there was plenty of options here. You also get 4 of the baby bodysuits in the color gray blue. So these are really beautiful. I love how cute that is, and they turn out super adorable. I'll leave links, or not links, but I'll leave pictures in the video so you guys can see some of the different images of how these turn out once you use them. Really super cute. So same thing with the blue one. You also get 4 different sizes in that. So you'll get a total of 8 bodysuits total. So 4 in the blue and gray and 4 in the pink and gray. So that right there makes this awesome, because if you have not tried Infusible Ink, you might be intimidated by it. It's a project that's kind of similar to when you're working with iron-on. You know, you're adding heat to a project, and people can kind of get intimidated by heat, and I totally understand. But this is a great way to try out a bunch of different projects, not have it cost a lot, and really experiment and have fun. And at the end of them, you'll have 8 different baby bodysuits that you can give away as gifts or use if you have little ones in your life. And I think that's such a great way to try a ton of different things and really get to experiment and play. Let's talk about what else is in the box, because it's not just cute, adorable baby bodysuits. There's also a whole set of Infusible Ink. This is the Joy Infusible Ink. So what if you don't have a Cricut Joy? Don't worry, you can use Infusible Ink with other machines as well. If you have a Cricut Explorer series machine, you can definitely use Joy Infusible Ink in that. You can also use it with the Maker machine. So this is a great way to experiment no matter which machine you have. And the neat thing about this is it comes with a wide range in this mystery box. So there's a bunch of different colors. Cricut made sure to give you some of the basics that you would definitely need to get started, which are black. I use black all the time for projects. In fact, let me show you a project that I just used it for. If you haven't seen the video for this yet, this is from my 25 days of crafting that I've been doing, and I used the Cricut cosmetic bags to make mask holders. So these are really great, and I used the black infusible ink. So this is a great way to use the black infusible ink. You'll get something that is, you know, a really nice professional quality result on it. And black, I think, is great. You can use this for, you know, any bodysuit and it's going to look really adorable. Or you can also break this out to use this for Cricut's coasters. They have cosmetic bags, wine bags. I have a video up on using infusible ink for wine bags. There's so many different options, you know, adult size shirts as well. So you can always play around and use these for other projects too. Also, I think some of these would be perfect for the little bodysuits. This is the Mermaid Rainbow, and it's a super vibrant result. There are two different sheets in this one. One is this kind of striped pattern, and the other is a mermaid scale, and it's really beautiful. I think it's one of the cutest ones that they do carry, so you'll get that one as well. You'll also get Ultraviolet, which is a lovely purple, and this pairs super well with the Mermaid Rainbow, so that's a really great one too. Also, you'll get True Blue. This is a nice, bright, vibrant blue, and you'll get a really great result with this. You also get two sheets in here as well. And then this one is bright green. So the bright green and the blue look so cute together. I would definitely try those ones out together. Although you can always mix and match and try out different things. But it's a great starting point. If you haven't used infusible ink, you can test this out. You can use it on a bunch of different projects and it'll work great. So infusible ink specifically is meant to be used with something that's a higher polyester count. So you're going to want to work with a blank that's like 70% or greater, and in fact Cricut Infusible Ink is paired really well with their blanks, so that way you get the nice vibrant result. But that's not the only thing in the box. There are also more. Cricut also has the Infusible Ink pens. They have the basic set here, and that's going to also come in your box. These are neat if you want to create a project and then you want to color it in and hand color and give it like that handmade result. That's a really great way to do it. It gives you a lot of options. I've seen people take mandalas and draw out mandalas with the machines and then color them in, and they look so beautiful. You'll also get a second set in the 1.0 size as well, and this will be a brighter set of colors. So if you're wanting to try out a bunch of different things, this is a great starter set, and I would definitely pick that up just so you can play around, because infusible ink is something that's kind of newer, and you may have heard of sublimation, or you may have heard of adding infusible ink to a project and you're not really sure, you know, I don't want to spend a ton on materials and I want to try it out. This is the great box to do it with. Let me show you a project that I just did with infusible ink. I have a couple other projects here that I wanted to share with you guys. This is a cute little baby bodysuit. These are the standard ones that Cricut carries on their website, and they're really adorable. They have the white ones. They also have one that they just came out with recently that is a black one, and then they have the colored versions as well. So there's a lot of different options, but they give you a really lovely result. And the neat thing about this is because it binds to the fibers of the item through heat, you can stretch it, you can move it, you can wash it, and you don't have to worry about it coming apart from your design. It doesn't peel off because it becomes part of the fiber. So that's something I really like. And I've also been testing it on Dollar Tree items as well. So I know you guys are bargain hunters like me, and you always want to try things out on Dollar Tree items. This is a video I have coming up, and this is a Dollar Tree table runner that I used infusible ink on, and look at how vibrant it turns out. So if you don't want to make just baby bodysuits, don't worry, there's a ton of different ways that you can use it, and I'll have more videos up on my channel about this. But if you guys are interested in this mystery box, remember it is 8 baby bodysuits in 2 different colors, so, and multiple sizes. So you get the blue and the gray and the pink, the markers, or pens I should say, in the 2 different colorways, as well as a bundle of infusible ink to try out, and that's all $39.99. You get your discount if you're a Cricut Access member, and it's $133 worth of value, so it's a really awesome deal. Check out the links in the description box, and if you'd like to see projects specifically with this infusible ink that comes from this mystery box, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll make sure to film a mystery box specific project for you guys. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Make sure to check out the mystery box. It goes live sometime Tuesday, December 8th. Could be whenever, and if you're wanting to keep an eye on it and you don't want to miss it, you can always send me a message on Facebook, and I'll try to let you know as soon as I see it's available too, so I can help you guys out. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye!